Let's learn how to do double crochet increases and decreases. Hi, I'm Nicole Chase and welcome to my channel. I design fun and colorful amigurumi crochet patterns that are great for any skill level. Let's start with an increase. An increase is used to make your piece larger. For this piece, I'm starting with 10 double crochet stitches. So first I'll start with a chain 2 to get the row started. And then in the first stitch, I will work 2 double crochet stitches into that one stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. That creates 1 double crochet, and then in the same stitch I will do another double crochet, so working 2 double crochets into that one stitch is an increase. Here you can see the first double crochet and the second. On this piece, I'm only increasing on the ends, so I will now double crochet across. And in the last stitch, again, I'll be working 2 double crochet stitches into the last stitch to create an increase. Now, if you recall, I started with 10 stitches, and now in this row I have 12 stitches because the increase added a stitch both at the beginning and end of the row. After doing a few rows with increases on each side, you'll see that the piece starts to get wider. Now that we've learned how to increase, let's learn the decrease. So to start my next row, I'm going to turn my work and chain 2. A decrease is used to make your piece smaller and can be referred to as a decrease or a double crochet 2 together. Essentially, you are taking 2 stitches and making them 1. For this piece, my last row has 16 double crochet stitches. First, you will yarn over and insert your hook into the first stitch. Then pull up a loop, yarn over and draw through the first 2 loops on your hook. Then we'll be working in our second stitch. Yarn over and insert your hook into that second stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. You now have 3 loops remaining on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. This is a decrease. On this piece, I'm only decreasing on the ends, so I will continue my double crochets across. And with 2 stitches remaining, I will again work a decrease. So yarn over and insert your hook into the first stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and insert your hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. You'll now have 3 loops remaining on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook, and that creates another decrease. When we started this row, we had a total of 16 stitches, and after the decreases, we now have a total of 14 stitches. After doing a few rows with decreases on each side, you'll see that the piece starts to get more narrow. So here you can see that the double crochets only make a straight line, while the increasing rows make the piece larger and the decreasing rows make the piece smaller. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. For more tutorials and free crochet patterns, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!